Imagine finding the perfect home, only to discover it's involved in a subject-to transaction. Why do banks often avoid these deals? We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Let's get into the reasons and explore the complexities that make these transactions risky territory for lenders. Number 1. Legal and regulatory risks. Banks avoid these transactions because they often bypass critical compliance requirements, such as those outlined in HUD Circular Letter 790. This regulation mandates credit checks for buyers of FHA-insured loans, which are often skipped in subject-to deals, exposing banks to potential penalties. Number 2. Lack of credit qualification. In subject-to transactions, buyers don't officially assume the mortgage, meaning they bypass formal credit checks. This leaves banks vulnerable, as they can't assess the risk of default. Number 3. Risk to sellers. Sellers remain liable for the mortgage even after transferring the deed. If the buyer defaults, it's the seller's credit that suffers, leading to potential foreclosure. Number 4. Potential for scams. Unscrupulous buyers might manipulate sellers into transferring deeds without any intention of making mortgage payments, causing significant financial harm to sellers. Number 5. Lack of security for sellers. There's no guarantee buyers will continue making mortgage payments, leaving sellers with limited recourse if payments stop. Number 6. Regulatory pressure. Organizations like the Colorado Real Estate Commission issue warnings about the risks of subject-to transactions, pressuring banks and title companies to prioritize compliance over profit. Number 7. Continuity in mortgage payments. Banks prefer a steady flow of payments from a formally recognized borrower rather than an unofficial participant in a subject-to deal. Now, imagine navigating these risky waters without a guide. The potential pitfalls are many, but armed with the right knowledge and resources, you can make informed decisions. This is where growthsense.com steps in. We connect you with experienced professionals and offer valuable insights to help you steer clear of real estate traps. Visit growthsense.com today and empower yourself to make confident real estate choices.